The given equation, where k and t are positive constants, defines a circle in the xy plane. The radius of the circle is square root of 57, which expression represents the value of t. And in fact, we can actually see that the given equation of a circle is written in a quite messy way, right? Well, it's not very pleasant. 2x squared minus x times square root of k plus 2y squared plus y times square root of t minus 18 is equal to 0. Let's firstly realize that this is an equation of the general form, right? Not the standard form. We remember what standard form of the equation of a circle is, right? It's a very pleasant form. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. This is an equation of a circle in a standard form, which also contains the information about the coordinates of the center of the circle and its radius, right? The general form does not contain this information, right? This is a problem because we are clearly given the fact that the radius is equal to square root of 57, and hypothetically we could replace it here, right? Square root of 57 squared, and even see that this is equal to 57, right? But this is still unusable because we do not have the value of h, we do not have the value of k, right? So at this moment, the standard form is not very complete and we cannot use it at all, right? So let's do something with the original equation, which is written in a general form. Probably our strategy will be the same, will be as usual. We will need to convert from the equation in the general form to the equation in a standard form, okay? And we can do so by applying the method of completing the square 2 times, okay? So first, let's notice that here I see that x squared and y squared are multiplied by 2. I don't need this coefficient, so I can divide the whole expression by 2 and see that we have x squared minus x times square root of k over 2 plus y squared plus y times square root of t over 2 minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay? And the thing is, you can actually see that here we have definitely some opportunity to complete the square, right? Here is x squared minus x, and we can artificially write here a multiplication by 2 and then division by 2, so here would be 4, right? And we can therefore add here plus square root of k over 4 squared, right? And therefore do the same on the right side of the equation, right? And this way we will approach closer to completion of the square, right? And let's do the similar steps with the y. I multiplied by 2, I divided by 2 and get 4 so that I have nothing changed, right? And it makes it clear that I may add square root of t over 4 squared and do the same on the right. Okay, and what actually I see here is that here x squared minus 2x square root of k over 4 plus square root of k over 4 squared. This is the formula a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. I hope you agree with me here, and therefore I can rewrite it as x plus square root of k over 4 squared plus do the same with the y and see that we get y plus square root of t over 4 squared minus 9 is equal to square root of k over 4 squared plus square root of t over 4 squared. Okay? And let's also rewrite the equation so that I have plus 9 on the right and plus 9 on the left, so that here I have cancellations, okay? And realize that we now achieved our goal. We managed to transform this equation in a general form to the equation in a standard form. And this way we can actually see that this will be our radius squared, okay? And let's develop it further. This is k over 16 plus t over 16 plus 9, okay? And this is the radius squared, right? Because it's a right hand, it's a right side of the equation of the standard form, right? And this way, we can actually return to our previous result. We have written that the right side of the equation in standard form is equal to 57, right? It's a square of the radius. It's from the one hand, but from the other hand, it's our result k over 16 plus t over 16 as well, plus 9. It means actually that we can make these two expressions equal, right? So what we get is that k plus t over 16 is equal to 57 minus 9, right? 57 minus 9 is equal to 48. And this way k plus t is equal to 48 times 16. And what do I want to express? I want to express t. So t is equal to 48 times 16 minus k. Okay, so this is our result. The answer is D. Okay,